It's a bad idea to try and do garage door repair work all by yourself. Our recommendation is that you contact Doremi Garage Door Maintenance Arvada prior to deciding to cause more problems for yourself than you fix. Lots of people think that they may fix a garage door only to discover that it's a tad bit more complicated compared to what they thought. Also, you may get hurt if you don't know what you're doing. As an illustration, there are springs in garage doors which are under plenty of pressure. Of course, if they snap they might come flying at you and cause serious injuries.